ekiterane eki kimazire sabiti yona kandi kwejumbira eminyeto erikurenga omutwaro gumwe n'ekicweka kurwa omu dayosisi z'abakaturiki kandi kitwire nikihindura hari St Andrew aha Kashozi Bujumbura omu rurembo rwa Hoima.
Mukama abasoroize hamwe kubaza nainywe kubaha omugisa n'okubegesa mulinde obwomezi bwanyu kurungi muhondere Kristu icyo kigendererwa cy'orusorokano runo muhondere Kristu mugonze dini yanyu kandi mwesigege Mukama omururamago olw'obwomezi bwanyu bwona.
And Mr. President, through your love and care, we request for more support towards the establishment of our diocesan youth centers in all the 4 ecclesiastical provinces, beginning with Hoima Diocese in Mbarara Ecclesiastical Province.
We want to thank you, Your Excellency, because you really have tight schedules. But as a parent, you decided to come and talk to the young people because you are very passionate about the next future.
Inganzi Hanga Robina Nabanja yasima President aha mukoro gwo kukinga ekiterane eki ahabo kuhereza abantu ba Bunyoro obukuru mu government.
Mwikirize musimo mu Runyoro habwe ngudo za korasi Mukama waitu webali. Habwa Hoima Kabale airport muzeyi webali. Tujja kuzibora enyonyi nizibungo mu mwanya nizigwa hano Bunyoro webali muzeyi.
Ekiterane eki kyakingwa President Kaguta Museveni kandi asima abakitebekanise ahabo kurundana eminyeto mingi no kukigunjura.
Abanyankorese akati kainukwa kakiri kabisi. You bend the branch when it is still not dry. If you try to bend it when it is dry, it breaks. So, mentoring young people is very good. I want to congratulate the church for remembering that.
President yashomese eminyeto emiringo yo kwejumbira omuby'entunguuka no kuhinjiraho itaka rike bakaganyirwa mu kihango.
If you want to be successful, you should listen to what we said in 1996. You know, this manifesto, 1996, about Bakufai. I have done experiments. I have got a model farm in Kaumu. I have got a model farm in other places. In Kisozi, I have done all this. But abantu ibukubaganda tubakumfa. Bari havindi, bari mpira ya buraya, biha.
Demand increase because this model farm I started 2021. So the yields are increasing slowly. Currently, our cows of zero grazing.
What is the total net earning from your 4 enterprises per year?
Currently, we have reached that 72 million net profit, Your Excellency.
Itware rya Hoima drama abakristo bari kwingura miliyoni 1 n'ekicweka gasha kwa Ambrose Nwagaba Katoto.